morning, Tatiana.
Good morning.
You just woke up?
Yeah.
Where?
And I hear noise.
And where are we going? Where you have to go?
School.
Christian. Christian. Guess what? Your first day of pre-K today. You were... Maybe he just don't like you. He's excited. Maybe he's getting up early. He's not going to go over so well.
I'm excited because we're going to school today.
All right. Well, we got to hurry so we're not late.
Mom, I ever don't. Mom, I didn't see. Mom, let me when he say lots of like this go to school and lots of and it's just 3 things and this one and this one and this is and we're going to school today. Mom.
Yes. You ready for school?